to the cast reveal and story conference of Bad Genius, the series.
I'm so happy na eto na, start na tayo, na-launch na natin. Also na may kasamang pressure. Sana magustuhan nila kung ano ipapakita natin dito sa bagong take natin for Bad Genius.
I've been holding for a long time. Since December pa actually, I've been holding the secret, and now that it's finally out, I'm just so happy and I'm so excited to be working with such a great team.
The pressure is really slowly sinking in dahil alam na nila kung sino yung mga gaganap. But pressure is good. It's also a challenge. Mabibigyan tayo ng opportunity to prove ourselves once again, to give justice dun sa role, magpakita lang ng magandang series para sa mga tao.
Of course, I'm really happy and really excited to do this series. Nandun rin yung pressure, syempre, but more of excitement.
I can finally show people I have short hair. I'm so excited to work with everyone. It's been so great so far. We're trending! That's good. That's a good sign. I'm very grateful for that.
Wow! Thank you guys! Thank you guys. Maraming salamat. All of us, with me and my fellow co-actors, with director, the production team, we really put in so much hard work, and just to hear that news is so great because just happy that you guys like it. We hope you like it.
We've been looking forward to sharing this project with everyone. I'm happy to know that everyone's excited. I want to make you guys proud.
So, maraming salamat po. Hindi namin kayo bibiguin. We'll do our very best.
Grateful ako doon sa press. They were always there para tulungan tayo. Marami silang kailangan abangan for the whole series.
There will be new additions and new twists.
It's gonna tackle a lot sa family kasi Filipinos are very family-oriented.
This is a different take ng High Cap. And then Atasha is, of course, first series ni Atasha. And I've seen her study. I've seen her do everything that she needs to do to prepare for her character kay Jairus. We know naman kung anong capacity at anong caliber ang kayang ibigay ni Jairus. I'm so honored at the same time to be given a chance to work with these kids.
Sa inyong lahat,
Please subscribe to Viva One.
watch and support
Bad Genius!
Now see you guys there.